My name is Alfred, and I'm in here from Accra. I'm actually an MSc student in Information and Communications Technology. I heard about IGINTEC via the web search rather, while I was looking for a training institute where I could broaden my knowledge on the CCTV. And my experience with the camera before training was actually basic. I only knew how to operate the CCTV, but without the technical know-how. But now have benefited from the training by having an in-depth knowledge based on the installation and operational processes of the CCTV. And on this point, I would, on a scale of 1 to 10, recommend this institute to friends and family who are aspiring to broaden their knowledge on the CCTV. Thank you.